Hello friends, welcome to Eureka Infotech YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to register DSC in GST portal. So before doing all these things, make sure your DST token is inserted into the USB port of the computer, and you have to install the DST driver from any from online and from your computer disk also. So I have already inserted the DSC and installed the install the ePass Auto 2003 driver, and it is already running. The DSC is already running. So I am entering the pin number to check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. Next, you have to download EM Signer tool from using Google search GST EM Signer. Click this. So you have to download the EM Signer software according to your Windows. According to your Windows, it may be Windows. It may be according to your operating system. It may be Windows, it can be Linux, it can be Macintosh. So this is Windows system 32-bit, and I have downloaded this software from here, and it's not running, so I have to run the software. This is EM Signer GSTN. It is running successfully. Click this logo. Next, you have to make sure that if you are using Google Chrome, open Chrome, search content, and always allow this website 120.0.0.1 1585. Next, you have to, if you are using Mozilla Firefox, go to Firefox, then options, then security, then exemption, then add this website and allow. So next you have to search CMD from search button and run as administrator. So it is already opened. Now type this code netsh space interface space portproxy space add v4 to v4 listenport is equal to 1645 listenaddress is equal to 127.0.0.1 space connectport is equal to 1585 connect address is equal to 127.0.0.1. enter. So it's running. Now you have to type this website link and paste into your browser. This window will show this page is not working. So if there is some error, make sure that it is allowed. Next, close it. Next, just log in into your GST portal. Click dashboard. I've already logged in. Click here, register and update DSC. Select your pen, select the checkbox, proceed. Failed to establish connection to the server. Kindly restart the emSigner. So I have to exit the emSigner and next restart the emSigner. Click Firefox. Select the pen, proceed. Again failed. I have to check it again. So now it's showing I am using Google Chrome now. Now using emSigner, its sign is shown Samapada Burman, its serial number and expiry date. So I am click sign. Enter the PIN number 1234. Login. Your DSC has successfully registered. That's fine. So you have to check it whether it is registered or not. You have already registered. So you can view the existing certificate. Click here. This is the serial number of the certificates, and issuer organization name is Imudra, state West Bengal. Back. So now you can able to file your return. File return. January. Prepare online. It's the nil return. Next. Next. And file with GSTR 3V. File GSTR 3V with DSC. Click this option. Okay, then proceed. That's it. So your DSC already registered in the DSC portal. So it will be very easier to file GST monthly return and annual return also. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.